Hey Halifax, here it is. The day we've been waiting for, and we have a special sneak peek of the all-new GV70 SUV from Genesis. Check out these lines. Wow. Unbelievable to have this long awaited for vehicle right here just for a couple days here in Halifax, making a quick visit with us, and we're able to check this car out, and we can't wait to get the stock units of these available right now for pre-order. Just gonna take a little look on the inside. It's pretty amazing. Take a look at that back seat. It's actually a lot bigger than I expected in real life. Just what a phenomenal vehicle. Can't wait to have these in stock right here. Genesis Halifax. Thanks for watching.